Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem contains duplicates. Say that given an array integer array nums and an integer key, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums of I equals nums of j and I minus j less than or equals k. Okay. Okay, so let's just see how we can handle this one actually. So there is multiple approaches that we can do that. We can do linear search, we can do binary search, but I guess the most effective solution that we can do tables. So hash table basically. I guess today this problem and the current problem we only do hash table. So basically we have let's just take or take this as an example. Let's just put it. Oh, it's big. Let's just make it smaller. Yeah, and make it white because we want to see it white. Okay, so we can just use the number. I guess this one was white. Okay, that's cool. So basically, what we can do there, we can do this into three steps. First of all, we will through the array, okay, and for each element we search for these elements in the hash map. We will have a hash table, okay, so we will search for this element in the hash table, okay, and return true if we found it, because let's say if we won, so we continue executing, and if we found another one, that means we have two elements basically. And I will put basically the current element in the hash table. Let's say that I didn't found it actually, so I'm in the first one, so I'll put in the current table, okay, and basically if basically the size of the hash table is larger than the larger than k, I will remove the oldest item and keep executing. If none of these things return true, I will return false. So let's just see. Okay, so first of all, I'm saying const set equals new set, and I will see for let I equals 0, I less than nums dot len I plus plus, and voila. And I will say if set dot has I will say, let's just say let elem equals nums of I. If set dot has the element, I will just return true. Otherwise, I will say set dot add elem, and I will say if set dot size bigger than k. Let's remove the oldest because we only want to see 2. There's no need to see more than that. Bigger than k, set dot delete I minus key, and I will say return false. No, but not in the for loop. If none of these things will return false. And submit. Oh, wrong. Why? What? I'm returning true, but here expected false. Wait a minute, why? I'm saying that if set that has nums of I, which is elem, I'm return true. Okay, set dot add, I'm adding the elem. I'm saying if set dot size bigger than k, set dot delete nums, sorry, yeah, okay, it worked. Okay, so basically let's just take this one example. Let's see how this works. Tuck, 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 tuck. Okay, let's just put this and put this. So basically what we're doing here, first of all, we just try to loop, and we find one, we go with one first, and we say that if set that has elem, does set has one? No, set doesn't has one, because actually let's just say set, let's say set is empty right now. Okay, I'll say that set has one. No, since set is empty. Okay, so set dot add elem, so I'm adding one. Okay, and I'm like, okay, if set dot size bigger than k, k is equals 3, set dot size is 1, so there's no need to add basically. So it's basically okay, we will continue, so we're not deleting anything, so we go to the second loop. I'm saying that if elem if set that has elem which will be 2, no, it doesn't has it, so we go to the second one directly, set dot add elem, so it's 2. And if set dot size bigger than k, k is 3, is the size is 2, doesn't work also. So okay, let we loop again. Actually, in the third one, we say that let nums of I. Right now, nums of I will equals 3, and I'm saying that okay, if set that has elem, no, it doesn't have set of elem. So okay, set that add elem, so we add 3, and I'm saying if set that size of k, if set the size bigger than k, no, it's equal to it, so we continue executing. So we are in 1. Okay, so equals 1. So I'm saying if set that has elem, returns true, because actually it has 1, so we're returning true, and that's it basically. And if you have 2 before the 1, that will work, and after that you will have the 1 work before it. Just that's it. So basically that's it for this solution, and see you in future videos. And actually the next 2 videos or 3 videos will be also all of them about hash tables. So that's it for this video, and see you in future problems. Just let's